Hurricane Milton roared ashore. It slammed into the Florida coast, winds howled, rain lashed down. The storm surge was relentless. Milton was a monster, the damage was catastrophic. Homes were reduced to rubble, businesses were destroyed, familiar landmarks vanished. The storm left a trail of destruction in its wake. The days after the storm were bleak. The sun seemed to hide behind a veil of grief. The air was heavy with the smell of salt water and debris. The silence was broken only by the sounds of sirens and helicopters. The people of Florida were in shock. They had faced hurricanes before, but nothing like this. Milton was different. It was a storm that would forever be etched in their memories. The storm left an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of Floridians. Many lost everything they held dear. Homes filled with memories were gone, cherished possessions were reduced to debris. Families huddled together in shelters, their faces etched with worry and uncertainty. The elderly and the very young struggled to cope with the loss and displacement. The emotional toll of the storm was immeasurable. Yet, even in the darkest hour, hope flickered. Amidst the wreckage, stories of human resilience began to emerge. Neighbors helped neighbors. Strangers reached out with compassion and support. The spirit of Florida, much like the palm trees that weathered the storm, refused to be broken. From the ashes of despair, a glimmer of hope emerged, reminding everyone that even in the face of unimaginable loss, the human spirit could endure. The people of Florida are resilient. They have faced adversity before. They know what it means to pick up the pieces and rebuild, and that's exactly what they did. Stories of courage and compassion started to surface. First responders worked tirelessly, rescuing those trapped and providing aid. Medical professionals went above and beyond to care for the injured. Ordinary citizens became heroes overnight. They shared their food, water, and shelter with those in need. They volunteered their time and resources to help their communities recover. They showed the world the true meaning of Florida Strong. The resilience of the human spirit was on full display. In the face of unimaginable loss, the people of Florida found strength within themselves and in each other. They refused to be defined by this tragedy. Instead, they chose to rise above it, together. Community became a lifeline, neighbors helping neighbors, sharing whatever they had managed to salvage. A cup of coffee, a warm blanket, a shoulder to cry on, these small acts of kindness became beacons of hope. Volunteers poured in from across the state and beyond, eager to offer a helping hand. They arrived with trucks full of supplies, ready to clear debris, rebuild homes, and offer comfort to those who had lost so much. The spirit of unity and solidarity was palpable. Differences were set aside as people came together with a common goal: to help their community heal and rebuild. The outpouring of support was a testament to the power of the human spirit to overcome adversity. These acts of kindness, big and small, were the building blocks of recovery. They were a powerful reminder that even in the face of devastation, love, compassion, and community could light the way forward. Rebuilding a community after a disaster is a daunting task. It requires a collective effort, a shared vision, and a commitment to create a stronger, more resilient future. The Hurricane Milton Relief Fund became a symbol of that commitment. Donations poured in from across the country and around the world. People who had never even been to Florida opened their hearts and wallets to help. The fund became a lifeline for those who had lost everything, providing financial assistance to help them get back on their feet. But the Hurricane Milton Relief Fund did more than just provide financial aid. It provided hope. It was a symbol that they were not alone, that people cared, and that together they would rebuild their lives and their communities. The road to recovery would be long and challenging, but with the support of the Relief Fund and the unwavering spirit of its people, Florida was determined to emerge stronger than ever before. The sun is rising again over Florida. The storm clouds have parted. The long road to recovery has begun. The scars of Hurricane Milton will remain, a solemn reminder of the storm's fury. But the scars also tell a story of resilience, of a community that refused to be broken. They are a testament to the power of the human spirit to overcome adversity and emerge stronger on the other side. The journey ahead will be long and arduous, but the people of Florida are not alone. They have the support of a nation, the love of a community, and the unwavering belief in a brighter tomorrow. Together they will rebuild, they will recover, and they will thrive once more. Florida Strong is not just a slogan, it's a promise.